What's up, guys? This is Theo here, and welcome to the final lesson, lesson 16, in the CodeCademy Learn HTML and CSS course on CodeCademy. I said that. Okay, so this one is tables. So there are many websites on the internet that display information like stock prices, sports scores, invoice data, and more. This data is naturally tabular in nature, meaning that a table is often the best way of presenting this data. So we're going to learn how to use tables. Take a look at the code in the body of index.html. What new code do you see? So we see all of these this table structure. So we're going to build that out. All right. So next one, in index.html, create a table. Okay. So let's create our table. So what we're going to do, we're just going to say table, and then we're going to close off this tag. That's going to be our start to our table. And let's click run. Awesome. So next up, add 2 rows to the table in index.html. So we do that by tr, and I'm going to copy and paste that real quick. Awesome. So we got our 2 table rows. Cool. And obviously it's not showing up because we don't have anything in there yet. So in the second row, add 3 cells of data. The cells should contain the following data in order. Okay. So let's go ahead and inside of our, I guess it doesn't support Emmet. Inside of our table row, let me grab the second one right here. We're going to create TDs, which stands for table data. And let me just copy and paste this 3 times. And inside of here, we're going to paste this data right here and let it display. Atom is Greenworks, 14, and package items. Let's click run. Make sure we can see that. Awesome, there it is. So it's somewhat nicely styled. Next up, guys, what we want to do is in the first row, add 3 table headings. The headings should contain the following data. So headings are, what's going to be identified across each section. So in here, right, we're going to create our table headings, and this one is going to be a company name, and then this one is going to be, let me just copy this, number of items to ship. Yeah, let me bring that in there. And finally, we have a table heading with next action. So let's grab that. Awesome, cool. So we can sort of see those are our headings. All right, next up, guys, you can sort of see we can apply a border directly on the HTML or in CSS, either one. So we're going to need some more data in the table. Add the following data to the table. Make sure to place it after the second table row. Okay. So let me place this right here, and let's run our code. Make sure this works for us. All right. Cool. So we're sort of seeing a lot of data showing up now. Awesome. You can add your column span. Again, I use Bootstrap all the time, but if you're just using plain HTML, this might make sense. In index.html, span a table data element across 2 columns. Okay, so let's see. Let's take one of our TDs, and we'll say call span equals to, again, I never use this, but did you span a TD element across 2 columns? I did, but why does it not? Let me try this again. Call span equals to, let me run this one more time. All right, cool. So we can sort of see the width of this one changed. All right, cool. So we also have row span, which will expand a row. So span a TD element across 2 rows. Okay, so let's go down here and we can do row span equals 2. Let's see what that does for us, guys. I don't know why I did that. Let me try one more time. Row span equals 2. And did that work? Yeah, so we sort of see what happened there. It gained 2 rows vertically. Next up, guys, we have our table body. I think this is more syntactic sugar, to be honest. Maybe unless you're using something like Bootstrap where it has some styles built into the table body, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So enclose rows 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in a table body. Okay, so let's find, starting with table row. Okay, so let me take that out, and we'll say T body. Okay, and we will close it right there, Let's go ahead and run this code. Awesome. So we have it in our table body. Again, I think this is just more for semantics than anything. You can also use a T head, which goes around the THs. Let's go ahead and apply that. So we're going to say, does it go? Let me think where it goes. T head. Okay, it goes before these TRs. So we'll say T head, and then we will put it right there. So all of this, we can move that over a little bit. And awesome. So there's a T head. Finally, we have a T foot. I never use this either, but it's good to know, I guess. So this will go after the T body. Or will it? Let me see. T foot. Add a table footer at the bottom. Okay. So let's look after T body. We'll say T foot, or T foot, and what do we want to put in here? We would like to put this data right here, total and 28. Okay, so let's grab that data and let me slide that over. Let's click run. Awesome. So we sort of have that at the very end, this total 28. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure this doesn't 5, 9, 13. That doesn't even add up to 28, but okay. Oh, I guess we don't know the cost, but okay, so we can also style all of this. So in style.css, change the font size of all table headings and table data to 18 pixels. So we can come in here and we can say table heading, we can just say font size 18 pixels because that's the correct selector. And there we go, font size increased. All right, so that's it, guys. We have just completed the course, Learn HTML and CSS Part 1. You've learned a new skill and you should be proud. All right, cool. So the table element creates a table, tr, adds rows. To add data, you use the td, th for table head. You can also use the column span and row span to adjust the styling. Then for more semantic purposes, you have the t head, t body, and t foot. And finally, all the CSS properties you learned about in this course can be applied to tables and their data. So awesome, guys. Really proud of you guys for making it through this whole course. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Probably move on to another course in CodeCademy, as well as keep going with the free CodeCamp videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment. Please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Take care.